Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. In this video class, we are going to study about one basic image processing details by using Python with Pillow library. So for that, I am going to use here PyCharm IDE. So first of all, we need Pillow library. So first of all, install that. How to install means, so first of all, go to the file. So in that we have a settings is there. So in that, click the plus button. So here we can type Pillow. So this library is needed for doing some basic image processing in Python. Now install this package. So wait a little minute. So within 2 minutes it will surely install. It is a small package only. Yeah. Now the installation is completed. So afterwards it will display name here in the list of all packages. Now come to the project. So here I am taking one folder. In that I am taking one input image that is called as Spider-Man image. See here, this is the Spider-Man image. So upon that image we are going to do some basic image processing by using Pillow library in Python. So in this video we are going to do mainly two topics. So that is, we are going to change the data. Means, so in this image leg is on left hand side and this is on right hand side. So in the first method we are going to convert this data will come left hand side and this data will come on right hand side. So whatever in the right side it will come in the left side. So whatever in the left side it will come onto the right side. Means it change the direction of the image. Then how can we do that in Python? So first of all, create one Python file. That is a new file. So name it as any. Okay. Now in that Python programming, so first of all we need to import that Pillow library. So how to import means, so Pillow can be defined as pill, that is like this, capital PIL. It's nothing but Pillow. Okay. So in that Pillow we have one method is there, that method we are going to import, that is from pill import image method is there. So in that image I is cap letter. Now next, first of all we need to open this image. How can we open that image into the program? Means we need to read that image data. So create one object, that is img. So in that object I am going to store that image data by using a method open method in the image. So this is the image. So in that we have a method is there, that is open. Use that method and open that image file name, that is called spider jpeg. Note right here the location of image spider jpg. Okay. Now this image was opened by using img method that was stored in our object, that is img. Now here I am going to apply flip method, that is the image data was converted from right side to left side data that was stored in another object. So for that I am going to take HOR img horizontal image. Okay. Just take one object. This is the object name just. Okay. Now apply method upon img. So this is the image. After reading this data it was stored in img. So upon this img we are going to our required method, that is called as transpose. So how to transpose? We are going to transpose from left to right. Okay. So that method was inside image dot flip left to right. So this method was applied upon the img. Means we are going to transpose it. How means from flip left to right. That was stored in HORG img another object. Now this is having the image data of flip left to right data. Now store this image as JPEG format. So this image was going to save as image format and define that the name of that file name, that is djedj image in the form of jpg. Now run the code, we'll get now process completed. Now we got one new file name or image. Now see here, this is the original image. In that original image, this is the right side data, but here it becomes left side data. Now in the next process, we are going to convert the image data, means top to bottom. So bottom data will comes to top and top data will comes to bottom. Now in the same program, just write here the method, that is top to bottom method. Now save as top image. Okay. Now run the code, we'll get another image that is called top jpg. Now open it. Now we'll get, so here the data was stored like this, means top data will becomes to downside and downside data will becomes to top side. So this is original image and this is left to right data image and this is top to bottom data image, and this is the required code for doing this process. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.